Three-year-old trotting colts lined up, first division, first leg of the Kentucky Sire Stakes. Purse of $15,000, field of 11, the Ron Gate. And the Rolf Lauderdale, the favorite, charges out from the center of the track. Touchdown Oz also flashes early speed with Dewey Kittabit Howe. Glam Rocker fires up from the far outside as they trot into that opening turn, and Lauderdale has early control in here for Callahan. Touchdown Oz continues up on the outside in second. Deacons Valley along the cones in third as Glam Rocker and Noble continue parked and pressing on. Six Gun Hall saves ground in fifth. Dewey Kittabit Howe tucks into sixth past the quarter in 29 seconds. And Lauderdale throttles out on the lead here. The 1-9 favorite takes off up the backstretch. Touchdown Oz is off stride. Again, Touchdown Oz was on a break. So Glam Rocker races now 5 lengths back in second. Deacons Valley still third. Six Gun Hall along the inside fourth as Caveat Emptor is underway fifth. Dewey Kittabit Howe nowhere to go sixth. Here's Johnny up on the outside seventh. Boss Hall along the cones in eighth. Tornado is up on the outside ninth, and Celebrity Payback, the first-time starter, is now struggling. Past the half, 57-2, 28-2 for that second quarter. Lauderdale now kicks clear to an 8-length lead. The 1-9 favorite is still strolling on top here. Caveat Emptor is up on the outside down into second. Glam Rocker is going to have to pick it up along the cones in third as here's Johnny. Tracks cover up on the outside fourth. Nowhere to go for Deacons Valley. Tornado is towed into it third over. They trot past three quarters, 126-1. Lauderdale turns for home with an imposing lead. Caveat Emptor has made his way into second. Here's Johnny is up on the outside third. Tornado is widest of all in fourth, but as they hit mid-stretch, Lauderdale still with a 6-length advantage. Here's Johnny is out of the center of the track trying to take over second from Caveat Emptor, but it's all Lauderdale. Lauderdale going to win it, wrapped up on the line. Here's Johnny second. Caveat Emptor was a third. Dewey Kittabit Howe flying late to finish fourth, 154-4.